Good Saturday, everyone. Starting off today with our weather statistics. I may start beginning these with this information. So it can be very interesting. Yesterday's high temperature was 79 degrees, the low is 59. Um, well beyond our averages of 67 and 45, and also still nowhere near the records of 87 for a high in 1955 and a record low of 28 set in 1983. We actually had snow with that cold spell. If you remember yesterday, we had 2 inches of snow in Crossville on that date in 1983. So far for the month, we've had 2.27 inches of rain, which causes us to be about 2 inches below normal. And then our strongest wind gust at the Crossville Airport yesterday was 35 miles per hour from the southwest. USA mortgage level of concern, same as yesterday. Gusty winds, low humidity, although not nearly as gusty of winds, so the wildfire danger isn't as high, but we still have an elevated risk. So when do we need to be concerned about the weather? Well, Monday is when the front finally comes through, and there's just enough ingredients to where we may see one of those storms get strong, produce 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts, some small hail. Widespread severe weather is not expected. In fact, widespread severe weather is not expected all of next week, which is great considering how unsettled next week is going to be, but it's looking like just mostly April showers. But for this weekend, for our Easter weekend, we're partly cloudy, highs in the low 80s, overnight lows near 60. It's a windier today than it will be tomorrow. So it was really windy Friday, not as windy today, and then almost calm winds on Sunday, although there will be a little bit of a breeze from time to time that hits 10 miles per hour or so. Monday, showers and thunderstorms likely. And breezy. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, winds really relax, but they do stay out of the south, and that creates a very moist environment. And then we have a 50-50 shot for showers, but it will remain mild throughout this forecast period. So what are rainfall totals looking like? Probably about a half inch on Monday, another quarter inch on Tuesday, and then a tenth of an inch or so it looks like right now on Wednesday, but I'll keep these totals updated. So we need the rainfall, so hopefully we'll get some good rain out of these systems next week. The extended threat outlook, the only thing I'm really keeping an eye on is, of course, a strong storm threat on Monday, and then the potential for a heavy rain threat on Friday. That's not looking overly impressive right now, but all of next week is looking showery, and then with the best chance of rain maybe coming on, the best chances for rain next week look to be Monday and Friday at this time. On this day in weather history, watch this for Bramble Travel. 1775, the first engagement of the Revolutionary War took place under clear, crisp weather at Lexington Concord. 1996, very memorable tornado outbreak for Illinois, 33 tornadoes associated with numerous supercells. Some of those tornadoes had winds of excess of 170 miles per hour, which today would be EF4, and one of which ripped through Ogden, Illinois. So thankfully, we don't have anything like that to worry about today. You folks have a wonderful Saturday, and keep looking up to keep up with all this crazy plateau weather. Just keep it right here to Meteorologist Mark.